Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best light pink permanent vinyl on the market, the Cricut Premium Permanent Vinyl in light pink. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this product is designed to elevate your projects with its beautiful color and reliable performance. Right out of the box, this package includes 3 rolls, each measuring 12 inches by 48 inches, giving you plenty of material to bring your creative ideas to life. The light pink shade is soft and vibrant, making it perfect for everything from personalized water bottles and outdoor signs to car decals and home decor. One of the standout features of this vinyl is its durability. It's built to withstand various weather conditions, so you don't have to worry about fading or peeling whether your project is indoors or outside. The vinyl is water-resistant and UV-resistant, ensuring your design stays sharp and fresh day after day. This makes it a great choice for all weather applications. Applying the Cricut Premium Permanent Vinyl is straightforward and user-friendly. It lays flat on your cutting mat without bubbling or tunneling, which means clean cuts and easy weeding for even the most intricate designs. It's fully compatible with all Cricut machines, including Maker and Explore, which means you can rely on automatic cut settings in Design Space to get perfect results every time. The strong adhesive backing is designed for a firm hold on various surfaces like windows, glass, plastic, and metal. This versatility lets you experiment with decorating everything from walls and mailboxes to car windows or laptop covers. The adhesive is strong but also allows for precise application, so you can reposition carefully if needed during the initial placement. Another thing to appreciate about this product is the balance between quality and quantity. With 3 rolls in the pack, you get a substantial amount of vinyl at a price that's reasonable considering the premium quality. Whether you're working on a one-time project or multiple crafts, this set ensures you won't run out anytime soon. Cricut has a strong reputation in the crafting community for producing materials that integrate seamlessly with their machines and tools, and this vinyl is no exception. The all-weather design, fade-proof properties, and ease of use combine to make it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. If you want to create projects that look professionally done, this vinyl's finish and durability will impress. It's perfect for crafters who want to make lasting gifts, custom decals, or even small business products that need to hold up over time. So, if you're looking for a permanent vinyl in a beautiful light pink color that offers longevity, versatility, and ease of use, the Cricut Premium Permanent Vinyl 3-pack is definitely worth considering. It makes crafting fun, simple, and rewarding, with results you'll be proud to show off. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth looks at crafting supplies and tools, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.